Hey there, so let's try to set up this popular apps called Countdown Buddy, where you can set up countdown widgets. It's pretty cool. So just open it up, and then this app is in top charts, and it's very convenient to use, very minimalistic. So you can just tap plus, and then here you can see the design. You can set up the countdown, like event name. So, or for example, you can just set it up like trip, for example, whatever, like your party, your event, your vacation, whatever you like. Then you can just set up widget style, which you have basic, or you have like different styles. Then you just have different fonts. And yep, so that's the idea. Then you can just set it up here like that. As you can see, yeah, you can set up different styles. So yep, and then you can just tap save. And then here's, you can just learn how to add widgets, tap plus icon. And then you just need to tap and hold, select tap and hold, and then select plus, and then you need to add countdown countdown widgets. But sometimes this widget takes, you either need to reload your phone, or yeah, just like if you tap, and then you can just just have it like that, where you can just find the widget and then just add widget there. But if it doesn't work for you, you just need to restart your phone, or like turn off your phone and turn on your phone, just to start setting up the new widget. So that's what you can try to do. Yep, but in a nutshell, that's just what it is. It's pretty cool. Yeah, there are a lot of these countdown apps these days. This is one of the top ones, so give it a try.